The majority of all plumbing problems are unexpected. Leaks, drains backing up, no hot water. And these problems typically come at the worst times. Hey, and we totally get it. Nobody wants to call a plumber. But why not take a bad experience and turn it into a great experience? At Inception Plumbing, great service starts here. From the initial phone call to the diagnosis and resolve, your plumbing is our priority. Inception Plumbing, a company building the plumbers of tomorrow while bringing you the services needed today. Give us a call, Kansas City. We're here to serve you.